it's Jess. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a spread in Project Life. I'm really trying to get back into Project Life this year, but I am going to be doing a spread about my new year, and I actually spent it in New Orleans. It was my first time in New Orleans, and it was extremely exciting. So I vlogged. I have a vlog up on my channel if you want to actually see the vlog, but I'm going to do a corresponding Project Life spread to go along with it. So I am doing my title card right now. I'm going to name it A New Year in New Orleans, and y'all, me and these Alpha stickers, we still can't get it right. We still can't get it right in 2020, but it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I just I'm never going to master Alpha stickers. I'm never going to do it. I cut out like at least like 20 minutes of this video. Like 20 minutes of the raw footage from this spread was me playing with these Alpha stickers, and then I ran out of E's, so I had to do a little makeshift E for the E in Orleans. It's, whatever. It's fine. 2020, maybe we'll try and master Alpha stickers, but this one, nah, it didn't work. But anyway, that's basically it. I put a little picture of me with a Snapchat filter that said bye 2019 because, woo, ciao, goodbye 2019. All right, so this next card is going to be just a picture of me and my friend Christine, who I went with, and this was the first day of the trip, and we put our stuff down in the hotel room and then just went exploring. So we walked around Bourbon Street, and then we found a park, and we took a selfie at this park. And while I was doing this spread, for the life of me, I could not find what park this was. Like, I have no idea the name of this park. Google Maps says that the name of this park is called Washington Square Park. It might be correct, it might not be correct, but I ended up writing down Washington Square Park after the fact. So you see me putting this colorful boxes sticker down. I don't know what it was called, but I went back later and put in Washington Square Park. So that might be the park. This next sticker is devoted towards two new loves of my life. One being char-grilled oysters, which is at the top, and the second one being beignets. I have never had a beignet before in my life before I went to New Orleans, and now all I want to do is eat beignets. They are amazing. I want more of them in my life. I need more of them in my life. So it was only right that I devoted at least one card to a beignet. And then I found these emoji stickers that I bought from Target a long time ago, and I had to put a fire emoji for the char-grilled oysters, and then I had to put a heart eye emoji for the beignets. It's only right. It's only right that I put these stickers down because yes, these two things are the new loves of my life. So that's it. So this next card is going to be about the Garden District. I took this picture. We actually did a tour, like one of the hop on, hop off bus tours. We did one of those, and we went riding around New Orleans on the top of this double-decker bus, and we rode through the Garden District. It was so beautiful. The lady said Beyonce has a house there, but she did not go into detail about which house it was, so I could not get a picture, and I was very upset about that. But whatever, it's fine. It's fine. It's probably best that I didn't actually see where that house was because I would have tried to creep up in there. But that's beside the point. That's the Garden District. So the next sticker is about Congo Square. So in Louis Armstrong Park in New Orleans, there is a spot, and this monument is in that spot, and I think this monument Yeah, this monument is for Congo Square. We did a lot of tours. That's one thing that I really appreciated about this trip because I don't know anything about New Orleans. So the fact that we did all these, we did a walking tour of the cemetery, and then we did the hop on hop off bus tour. Christine actually did a what do you call it? Like a ghost tour. She did a ghost tour, but I didn't get a chance to do it because I got sick. But she did a ghost tour. We did a lot of touring in the city, so yeah, I learned a lot about what was going on there. And this next card is going to be about Jackson Square. So this more specifically is the cathedral at Jackson Square, and I don't know too much about this cathedral, only that it's very old and it's very old. But I think that's all I know about this cathedral. I didn't learn too much about it, but we did take a picture. We did take a lot of pictures. I vlogged a little bit, then got sick, and then tried to vlog some more. But and I don't even know if y'all can hear it in my voice too. But I'm still a little congested, but it's okay. It's okay. I'm doing better. But yeah, this is Jackson Square. New Orleans, one thing I will say about New Orleans, it has a lot of beautiful sites for pictures. Like, there are a lot of photo taking spots in New Orleans, which I really appreciate it. So this next card is just this picture is just a tree that I took, and I think it might be an oak tree if I'm not mistaken. I don't know what kind of tree it is, but I took a picture of it. This was on the day that Christine and I explored, like the first day that we got there and we were walking around and we were at the park. I took a picture of this, as we were walking around, and I didn't take a picture of it until Christine took a picture of it. So one thing that Christine does is she has a good eye for pictures. Like, she has a very good eye for pictures. A lot of my best pictures are ones that she's taken. So yeah, she has a good eye for, like deep and spiritual things like this. So so you have her to thank for this picture. But it was really cool. I think it's an oak tree. These trees are like all around New Orleans and they're really pretty, but our tour guide said that caterpillars live in them, stinging caterpillars or something, and they'll fall and attack you. So, I don't know how true that is. I ain't get attacked, but whatever. And this card is about Bourbon Street. This is a picture of Bourbon Street. Again, this is another picture that Christine took, and I was like, well, let me get a picture of that too. And so it was a picture of Bourbon Street at night, and the moon is actually in this picture. It's kind of small, you can't really see it, but it's just a long shot of Bourbon Street, and I really like this picture because it's something calming about it. I know New Orleans is supposed to be like a rowdy city, and Bourbon Street is supposed to be wild, but Bourbon Street was pretty tame. I don't know if people were out of town or what, but it wasn't as wild as I expected it to be. So being older, I appreciate that. But yeah, I just expected it to be, everybody on drugs and throwing up and falling out and stuff. And I didn't really see that much of it. I saw some, but I didn't see that much of it. Okay, this next picture is Christine and I on New Year's Eve slash the beginning of New Year's Day at midnight. So we actually went to Jackson Square. We went to Jackson Square, stood around. Usher was performing that night. We didn't really see Usher. Like, it was like a big partition, but we didn't see Usher, but we heard Usher. And then at midnight, they dropped a fleur-de-lis instead of a ball, and then they shot fireworks. So that was a selfie of Christine and I as the fireworks were going off, and it was really pretty. Like, everything about New Orleans was a beautiful city. The food was delicious. I did not run across a dish that I did not enjoy. Like, everything, the food was banging. and everything was beautiful. Like, yeah, it was amazing. It was amazing, y'all. But I'm done. I'm pretty much done. This is the final spread. I'm going to show you guys some close-up shots of all of my all of my finished cards. And that's basically it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not already. Like, comment, do all that other stuff. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.